Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Today it's a very auspicious day, very special day, 76th Republic Day. We are celebrating this day since early morning today. We are happy to have amongst us Sri Kalan Mitra ji, alumnus 1972. Today in the morning, we have seen parade and band show by our Vidyapit boys. Once, Kolanda also did so at that same place in front of school. He also did parade, band, everything. Kolanda has long association with Vidyapit Praktani. Long back, maybe at least 30 years, he is associated with this Vidyapit Praktani, maybe more. We are really very fortunate for that to have him. He is also ex-secretary of Vidyapit Praktani. That time we noticed his energetic and dynamic activities, capacities. That time we noticed that. Also, at the same time, he was former corporate management professional. That line also, in that line, that field, he is a very successful person. He is very much associated with many NGOs. He is a very good social worker. We know that. At the same time, he is very good admirer of Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Math. I cordially welcome Sri Kalan Mitra and also Mrs. Mitra. I convey my namaskar, respect, greetings to all of them. Also, we have amongst us Sri Puranjit Sil, and Sri Subhamay Bhattacharya from PC Sen Charitable Trust under the aegis of Senco Gold Limited. They are guest of honor in today's program. I cordially welcome them all, and I want to just share with our students who could not attend today's morning program at plus 2 section, plus 2 school, Sivananda Hall. There one program was arranged. That time our reading room come one computer room, that was also inaugurated, and in that big amount or large amount of the expenses was sponsored by this PC Sen Charitable Trust. We are thankful to them for their contribution to Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit. Devghar. I convey my respect, namaskar, greetings to all of them. I convey my respect, greetings to all the teachers, staff members, guests, parents of our students present here. I cordially welcome them. Also, I convey my loving namaskar, greetings, best wishes to our monastic brothers. Today on this day, we are celebrating Republic Day programs. In the morning, our students really they have done very good parade and band show at Vidyapit. I thank them. Today, on this day, we should celebrate this day with pride. On this day, in 1950, India's constitution was come into effect. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the architect of our constitution. All these things we know. But one thing I want to tell our students. Today you should learn something. You should know or you should think about patriotism. So many soldiers, they sacrificed their life for freedom of India. We should feel for that. Another thing, we should think about unity in diversity. Just see, in India, there are various languages, various culture, and so many varieties are there. Even then, it is one India, my India. We should think about that, and our constitution is made considering this fact. Constitution of India. We should know our duties and rights as citizen. We get all these things from our Indian Constitution. There, all these things are mentioned clearly. We should know all these things and we should give respect to all these things. Today we should take place that we will follow the directions or guidelines given in the Constitution, and in future we will be good citizen of India. You should take place on this day. Once again, I cordially welcome everybody present in this hall and my namaskar and greetings to all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
धन्यवाद महाराज.